In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete uploaded files in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and then open any existing design or project. This is important because the Uploads panel is easiest to access from inside the editor. Once the project opens, you should see Canva's editing workspace with a menu on the left side. Next, go to the left-hand panel and click Uploads. This section stores the files you've added to Canva, including images, videos, and other media. After you click it, the Uploads library should open in the sidebar. Now, if needed, click Images inside the Uploads section. This helps narrow the view so you're only seeing uploaded image files. Depending on your Canva version, you may also see other file categories, so make sure you're in the correct section before deleting anything. From here, find the uploaded image you want to remove. At the top of the image thumbnail, you'll see a checkmark or selection option. Click that checkmark to select the file. Once selected, Canva will usually show actions you can take for that item. After that, click Move to Trash. This sends the uploaded file to Canva's trash instead of removing it silently, which helps prevent accidental permanent deletion. You should see the file disappear from your uploads list, or Canva may briefly show a confirmation. Be careful to select the correct file before moving it to the trash, especially if you have several similar images. If you don't see the checkmark right away, try hovering over the file thumbnail, since some controls only appear when your cursor is over the image. And that's how you delete uploaded files in Canva. Thanks for watching.